What up, YouTubers and YouTubettes? So today I'm gonna be making a gun cotton wash rag. So I've got two containers here, well three. So that's just ice in that container. That one's empty, and then the bottle has 50-50 sulfuric acid and nitric acid, and the sulfuric acid's 98%. The nitric acid is 68%. And so what I'm going to do is put water in the ice, and then I'm going to open the container and pour its contents into the bin that it's sitting in. And then I'm going to check the temperature with a thermometer, and provided it's in the right area, which I want between 10 and 30 degrees Celsius, closer to 10 preferably. And then I'm going to put in this wash rag. It's 100% cotton, and yeah. So let me go get a thermometer and I'll open that container up. Alright, so got a wash rag. 'Alright, turn this on. Five, 6 degrees Celsius. Excellent. Alright. You stay. Alright, I need to get gloves. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm outside now. I had to go outside. My fume hood's got stuff boiling in it. So anyways, got my wash rag in here. It's all completely saturated. You can kind of see it's got a yellow tint to it now. And we're at 6 degrees Celsius. And so it's probably been in there for a couple minutes now. I'm gonna leave it like this for about an hour, and I'll be back then and we'll rinse this out. So I fell asleep. Whoops. So it's been a little bit longer. It's been about 2.5 hours. So now I'm gonna wring it out and then start rinsing this out. And I'm gonna rinse it out about 5 times, and then I'm gonna rinse it out a 6th time with baking soda to make sure that it's completely neutralized of acid. And then I'll rinse the baking soda away, and then I'll be back at that point. Alright, so got it here in baking soda now, and it was just reacting pretty good, but it subsided while I grabbed my recording device. But so now I'm just gonna rinse it back again with fresh water, and let's put some more baking soda in here real quick, see if it does anything. Yeah, still needed more. But so then after this though, then I'm gonna rinse again with fresh water and dry it, and it's all done. Alright, so you can see now I got it on a little heater drying, and that's that. It's all done.